Your money has an expiration date, and it's closer than you think. On January 1st, 2026, the biggest tax hike in American history is going to happen automatically, and nobody is coming to save you. They're calling it the tax sunset. But for the American middle class, it's going to feel like a financial blackout. You've been distracted by inflation, by interest rates, by the daily grind. But while you were looking one way, they were quietly setting the stage for a massive wealth transfer, right from your pocket to theirs. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's written into law. And you have 162 days left to protect what's yours. It's time to be broke no more. Microhook 1, the invisible squeeze. But wait, it's not just about a higher tax rate. It's about how they're going to squeeze you without you even noticing. Think about your paycheck, that extra bit of take-home pay you've enjoyed. Much of it is about to disappear. Your standard deduction, which reduces your taxable income, is set to be cut almost in half. This means more of your hard-earned money will be subject to taxes. This isn't just a minor adjustment. It's a systemic shift that will reduce your disposable income, making it even harder to keep up with astronomical rents and grocery bills. They're not raising taxes. They're just letting them reset to a higher level and hoping you don't notice the difference in your bank account. Microhook 2, the generation skipping trap. And here's the real kicker. They're coming for your children's future too. The real hidden danger lies in the estate tax exemption. Right now, you can pass on a significant amount of wealth to your heirs without federal estate taxes. For 2026, this exemption is set to drop dramatically, potentially by half. This means if you've worked your entire life, saved, invested, and built a modest nest egg to leave for your children, a much larger portion of it could be subject to a 40% federal estate tax. This is the generation skipping trap in action. They tax your income, they tax your spending, and now they're coming for what you leave behind. It's a double tax on the same dollar, designed to prevent generational wealth building for anyone outside the ultra-rich. Microhook 3, the secret moves of the wealthy. But here's what the ultra-wealthy are doing right now that you aren't. They aren't panicking, they're positioning. They know the current high estate and gift tax exemptions are still in place until the end of 2025. This is your window. If you have significant assets, work with a qualified estate planner to utilize these higher exemptions through gifting or other wealth transfer strategies before they vanish. This is a one-time opportunity to move wealth tax-free that may not come again for decades. They don't want you to know about this ticking clock. Microhook 4, the asset relocation hack. Are your investments sitting in taxable accounts? It's time to consider moving assets from taxable to tax-exempt buckets. Think Roth conversions, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in the future. Explore the benefits of properly structured life insurance policies, which can offer tax-free growth and tax-free access to cash values. This isn't about avoiding taxes illegally. It's about legally optimizing your wealth within the existing tax code before it changes. Microhook 5, the business owner's secret weapon. If you own a business or have a significant side hustle, the Section 179 deduction remains a powerful tool. Maximize your equipment purchases and other eligible expenses before the end of 2025 to take advantage of current deduction limits. Every dollar you can legally deduct is a dollar saved from the impending tax hike. This is about being proactive, not reactive. Microhook 6, breaking the psychological trap. They want you to feel overwhelmed, to feel like it's too complicated. This feeling of helplessness is a psychological poverty trap. It keeps you from taking action. Don't fall for it. The system is complex by design, but it's not impenetrable. Educate yourself. Seek out advisors who understand these advanced strategies. Your financial future depends on your willingness to fight for it. The closing trust loop. At Broke No More, we're not your typical financial channel. We're the intel agency showing you the exits while the building is on fire. We expose the hidden mechanisms designed to keep you struggling, and we arm you with the strategies to not just survive, but to thrive. The 2026 tax sunset is real. The impact on your family's wealth is real, but so is your power to protect it. If you're ready to stop being a victim of the system, if you're ready to understand the real rules of money, if you're ready to finally be broke no more, then hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Join the Broke No More community. Because the clock is ticking. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, question everything, protect your assets, and remember, you are broke no more.